right?
We're best friends.
Okay, we're gonna do something for you, okay? This is what we're doing. Ready? Okay, what do you think this is? A
hula hoop.
B
A fan.
C a vacuum going around me! Look, he's mental! Okay, leave your comments in the below. Don't be mean or I will hunt you down! Bye. Remember, this is Lexus, and this is Lily the Double L. What? Dance! Whoop, whoop, whoop. You're supposed to be dancing. Keep dancing.